Hey, this is MKW Pros124 with another Lego gumball machine. And to prove it, the gumball's right in there with the money slot. And I'm going to show you around. See, it's pretty weird. It's just like a little box-shaped thing, huh? See? Now I'm going to get my gumball. Alright, let me make sure these pieces are secure because these are very weak. Alright, let's see if it worked. Okay, now I'm going to get the money out here. And there it is. Alright, so now I'm going to set up my camera. It'll be very quick and it's easy. Alright, oh, this piece is almost going to fall in. Right there. Now I'm going to get the money out. Taking this piece off. I mean, these pieces off. Alright. See, and there is my quarter. So I'm going to get it out. Now I'll put that back on. Put that back on right there. Now I'm going to get out my gumball. There it is. And there's a secret to this. That's why I have it all covered up and boxed. It's a special secret. If you want to find it out, I will have it out soon. I will give out the secret if I get about at least 100 views, I'm hoping, on this. Then I'll give out the secret to you guys. So tell your friends that need to watch this video because you want to find out the secret to it really bad. Alright? So rate, comment, subscribe, and post a video response of your own. Love to see them. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.